All right, step number 9 says make sure that the wheels rotate together, connected to the skewers. Flip the card so that the blank side is facing upward, and check the card will roll easily across the table. I do want to add, write your name on the card as well, or your group number, or both, and your period number. So we flip it over, and this is going to be what you build your egg carrying container on. Now I am going to critique my job here. If you look, it looks like there's no straw on this side, and there's a little bit of straw poking out on this side. That's not really well balanced, so that might throw this car off. If this was me, I would probably start over again with the tape. And since it's the chassis, the tape isn't going to cost you any extra points. If you need a new straw, it'll cost you extra points. And if you need a new card, it'll cost you extra points. But I would probably adjust this and move this straw down a little bit so that it's a little bit more balanced. When you're done with this, clean up your area, put it in your bag with your name on it, and turn it into me, and I will grade it. Okay? All right, this should be on the 3rd line since it's the back. That's a bit better. Okay. There we go. If you flip it over, looks about just as much on this side as that side.